Manufacturing industries are the backbone of the Finnish economy. With hundreds of companies operating in a variety of fields, there is a common growing need in making processes even more efficient and sustainable. To make that happen, many rely on the experience of Macron, a complete industry service house for companies with machinery needs. We were born in Finland almost 50 years ago, and we offer complete services from the cradle to cradle for industrial projects, from design and engineering to production, intelligent automation, and maintenance. We make the work of manufacturing companies easier and more efficient by providing high-quality engineering and design services, as well as delivering complete industrial automation systems for machinery and production lines as a subcontractor. Automation engineers design and create and program automated systems and data collection solutions that give precise reports of production lines to streamline operations. For example, we serve the mechanical wood industry working as an industrial automation partner. We developed smart control systems for layup and stacking lines, making plywood manufacturing lines highly automated and consequently reliable, safe, and efficient. Macron takes pride in delivering high-quality products and services reliably and efficiently from Finland to the world.